coming to you live from the Spaceship at Ranch 206. I'm in Sedalia, Missouri, and the friend who helped me build the inside of the spaceship. Van tour coming tomorrow, I swear. Is in Missouri on his farm, and I was in Missouri because I wanted to be warm, as you know if you've been watching along. It's all about warmth here on this cross-country tour. Really, that's where I know I thrive. I know I thrive when I'm warm. I grew up on the beach. I was born in June. I know my first nature, so I'm utilizing that. And I drove south. Now I'm on a farm. I'm gonna help him on his farm. And I'm sleeping under the moonlight, and I don't have to put up my curtain. I don't have to put up all the window blockers, and I can just sleep in the spaceship, and I'm gonna wake up and open the doors and be on a farm. Oh, yes. Farm life, van life, farm life. Okay. Just watched part of the debate. Pooh! Pooh! I love Bernie when they said, how are you going to be president when you just had a heart attack? And he goes, watch me rally in Queens. Bernie.com. Drop the mic. Oh my gosh. Okay. That was an enjoyable experience. Yeah, we were on a hot spot at the farm. So my help, right? What is Vinny Bonanno gonna help on a farm? I'll get my hands dirty. We'll do it. But really, my skills shine in organization. So I'm helping my friend organize the barn, which is tremendous. And the treat at the end after we organize like all these old National Geographics and all this old stuff is that we're gonna hang lights in the barn. But first we organize. We're gonna have a bonfire. I don't know when this will go up. There's no real connection out here. What else can I tell you? Yeah, I drove east for 2 hours, which was funny because I'm going west, but to see a friend and yeah, and be on a farm. Woo! Yeah, so I think I'm pausing for a few days out on this farm and connecting to Earth. Like, we're also connected these days, right? Connected. There's so much technology and connection. We're connected to each other, but I'm gonna connect to the land, the moon, and with that, I'm signing off for the night. So, love you. Mwah.